The first week of January arrived quietly. And then, all at once, this week, the first snow came to the garden. The temperature dropped to -7 degrees Celsius. But with the strong wind, it felt closer to -19. Overnight, around 25 centimeters of snow settled in the garden. On the beds, on the path, and especially on the greenhouse roof. In winter, the greenhouse becomes something else. It's no longer about growth or harvest. It turns into a structure that needs care, attention, and protection. Heavy snow can be beautiful, but it can also be unforgiving. Last winter's snow removal was an adventure. 2 ladders inside the greenhouse, climbing up through the roof hatch, standing there, pushing snow down little by little. It took hours, a fair amount of patience, and balance. This year, things were different. Back in September, for my birthday, I got exactly what I wished for. A roof snow rake. I unpacked it, assembled it, and stored it inside. Already knowing winter would come eventually. And now, here it was. Because of the cold, the snow was light as feathers. Dry. Almost playful. The entire roof was cleared in about 50 minutes. Compared to last year's hours of climbing and balancing, it felt almost unreal. Sometimes the right tool really does change everything. Winter doesn't ask much of the garden. Winter asks something of us. To pay attention, to protect what we've built, and to adapt. This snow rake will get tested again, I'm sure. In wetter snow, in heavier snow, the kind that sticks and weighs down structures. But for this first storm of the season, it did exactly what it was meant to do. And maybe that's what this week has been about. Being prepared. Having learned something from last year. And meeting winter with a little more calm. January doesn't rush. It settles in. It gives us time to observe, to maintain, to plan quietly without acting on those plans just yet. For now, the garden rests. The greenhouse stands steady. And the snow can stay a little while longer. Thank you for watching.